Why? Why does this have to happen to me? It's here. We just got it in, the new radiator. Let's get it unpacked. Let's throw it on. It says Toyota 86 radiator. That's what that's
Subaru, BRZ, everything else.
Yes, exactly. That looks like one thin radiator, dude.
For real.
Check that out.
Jeez.
I think, yeah, it goes like this. This is trash. You can see it, it's all leaked out.
Yeah, all over the place.
So
we'll just throw that to the scrapyard.
Yep. You get a few 5-6 cents out of that.
Yeah.
The condenser does look a little bit burnt, but it's usable still.
Yeah, it's not broken. None of the lines are
broken. It's not broken. It's not leaking anywhere, which is, for us, that's probably the most important part. Good to go. Let's go ahead and install it. We're gonna go ahead and attach the radiator hoses. We've got one at the top here, right here, and it's gonna be attached right there. And we've also got a radiator hose down here, and that's gonna be attached right there. The whole car in general is like super, it's interesting how everything is set up. I mean, it's set up in like a very comfortable way, so it's really nice. It's not hard to like work on, except for this radiator.
Are you comfortable right now?
I'm comfortable right now. Good to go.
Sick.
Condenser's in, radiator's in. A bit of a surprise. Let me grab it.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
What do you guys think it is? I mean, we opened the box and we couldn't wait. So here it is. All right. A lot of little wrappage, some wrap.
Some wrapping?
Probably tell right away, just by the filter. That's right.
Oh.
We got an aftermarket air intake, which I'm pretty excited to install this. How much horsepower do you think it's gonna add?
A solid 57. What?
It's gonna add like 5 horsepower.
Maybe. Basically, so this tube, right as of right now, the airflow sensor, I think that's what this is, right?
Sensor,
yeah, so that's on top where you see this hole. Wait, how is it gonna be
sitting?
Is it gonna be like this?
It's gonna be sitting like this. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's try it out.
Oh my gosh.
Why? Why does this have to happen to me? What the flip? It's like all the way down there. I think you're just gonna get that now.
Yeah, aftermarket, actually, dude, we got it for like, what, 100 bucks off eBay?
No, it was less, bro. It was like
less?
78 bucks.
That's a deal. Honestly, I know a lot of people tend to like buy all these overpriced air intakes and cold air intakes, and dude, guys, literally, it's just running air into your engine. It does not make that much of a difference.
I mean, if you're brand, like, I think the big thing is brand loyalty. So like, people love certain brands, they buy them, which is great. For our purpose sakes, it's like, dude, I mean, we'll get some horsepower out of it, but we're not building a race car.
No.
We're literally rebuilding a really sick looking GT86.
Exactly.
So that's our goal here. Race car? Not a race car.
eBay, cheap eBay crap.
Cheap eBay crap.
Race
car, cheap eBay crap. But no, we'll keep it like this. Looks sick. we went ahead, we zip tied all of the wires that need to be zip tied. We are going to be driving this over to the paint shop.
We decided to not do the headlight wiring yet because it's actually really complicated, so.
There's gonna be a lot, we gotta solder some wires together, so we're like, we'll do it once we get it back. We just wanna get this thing painted and then put all the final assembly touches on it. This is looking good. Look at that, everything lines up, man.
Yeah, dude. It's actually really nice.
Very nice.
Dang, bro.
Dude, not bad.
That actually lines
Well,
up
actually,
nice.
yeah, the gap here is good. And there should be supposed to be like a rubber gasket that goes between the bumper and the hood.
Yeah.
But we might actually pick it up just a little bit higher once it gets painted.
Yep.
The gaps here are good. This gap is a little bit big too, but we'll push it in once it's all painted and good to go.
Yeah. Because at the paint shop, they pull off all the parts and get them painted separately.
Anyways. So let's do one final thing. Let's go ahead and let's rub all this paint around the body. You see how like it's...
Yeah, all the markings from the auction.
We'll take that off, and then also I want to cut this airbag off because it is kind of annoying when you're driving.
Yeah.
So we'll cut this airbag off, get all this out, pull it out of the garage, and head over to the paint shop.
Sick.
It's just so annoying when you're driving. It's just like super in the way. So just cut this. This one, cut our airbag off, right? All right. Boom.
That's better.
Throw this in. Tape it up, and we're good to go. All right, man. Let's go pick up some of this fluid.
Get this radiator fluid, get it running.
I say we stop, maybe get some Canes or something on the way.
Chick-fil-A, bro.
Chick-fil-A
is a good.
I don't know, I'm more of a Canes guy myself, you know what I'm saying? But I guess Chick-fil-A will do. Chick-fil-A or Canes?
I've had a lot of Chick-fil-A recently, man. Maybe Canes is the way to go.
I don't know. We'll have to decide once again. We're gonna go to O'Reilly's first, pick up our fluid, and then we'll see what we want to do.
Problem, man.
O'Reilly's, baby.
Dude, this is the place. This is where we get all of our stuff from.
This is where we get all of our parts from. O'Reilly's. So the real dilemma now: do we get the cheap stuff or do we get the expensive stuff?
Cheap stuff every time, man. Cheap stuff every time.
All right, we got it, guys. We just got the. You want to hold this paper? How much was it?
Dude, it was like
14 bucks.
15 bucks.
15 bucks with tax. We got the full strength. So essentially, we're gonna have to dilute it with water.
It's not the cheapest one, actually. It's the O'Reilly brand. I don't know. We always buy.
It's pretty good. I mean, it's good for whatever we're getting it for. It'll be good. It works good, guys. Tell us what we're driving today, Philip.
No comment.
Mopar, baby. Guys, this is a Challenger. We've got the, it's right there. But this is the V6 edition, guys. V6 power. All right, Canes it is.
Canes it is, man. We had to get it.
Canes. Guys, the 3-finger combo. That's what we're going for. 3-finger combo.
The classic one. Get us
Easy.
refueled up, fix the car up, and get finished.
Get it, send it to paint.
1583. Yeah, please.
Two ketchups.
Two ketchups right there.
Two ketchups.
A lot of ketchup. Thank you. You have a good one. She already left.
All right, you guys, you don't even understand Canes. Bro, that Canes was. Sorry guys, we didn't show you how we were eating. That'd be a little bit weird. Not gonna do that. But anyways, got the coolant. It's a concentrate, which you have to mix with water. That way it's actually a little bit cheaper. Because if we do not full strength at 50-50, then you buy like 2 or 3 of them. With this one, you just buy 1, and it's basically like you're getting 2 for the price of 1. Straight shot.
For real, dude.
They call me sharpshooter.
Whenever you're filling up coolant, you always have to have the car running so that it starts circulating through the engine, and then you have the right amount of coolant inside the car.
That's partially it. When you're doing coolant, when you're pouring coolant, if there's no coolant in the system, you want to get all the air bubbles out. If there's air bubbles, your thermostat's not going to work correctly, and your engine will overheat. So, the first thing you want to do when you're pouring in the coolant You pour it in, you let it run until it starts blowing hot air inside. If it is not blowing hot air, do not drive the car. You will overheat your engine. When it started blowing hot air, that means the thermostat is working and you're good to go. Okay, it's blowing cold air right now. So we just gotta wait until it starts blowing hot air.
All right. I mean, obviously you guys can't feel heat through the camera, but we just had to, maybe turn this off for now. We just had to, kept adding more coolant. This thing takes a surprising amount of coolant, and then giving it gas that's running the coolant through the engine faster. And then it would blow hot air when you were giving it gas, but as soon as you let go, it would blow cold air. Now it's just blowing hot air all the time, which is exactly what we need. So let's pull it out and get it to the paint shop.
All right, guys, this is it. So we're gonna drive in manual. This is our automatic manual.
The manual mode?
Manual mode. We're in first gear right now.
Where is it? Oh, it's right over there.
It's a little thing right there.
And you got little paddle shifters?
Little paddle shifters on the wheel here.
Ooh. Wow.
Wow, some strong pulls there.
For
Definitely
real.
like a WRX. Traction control off.
Oh, let's see this.
Wow, this is... What a disappointment. What the heck was that? I don't even understand.
I don't know if it slid or not.
It did not slide.
No. It didn't pull either.
That was like super anticlimactic. Alrighty guys, that is going to be a wrap on today's video. We've been able to get a ton of work done. This Toyota 86 build is coming together so nice. We cannot wait to see how the paint is going to turn out. It's going to be sick. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet to see more awesome car rebuild content like this. Thank you for all your love and support. We love you guys and we'll catch you next time. Peace.